Hi and welcome back to Wrexham Volkswagen. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video. My name is Shannon and today I'm excited to be giving you a tour around this Volkswagen approved used Golf GTE. This is a 1.4 litre petrol plug-in hybrid automatic 204 PS finished in an upgraded Indium Grey metallic paint. This vehicle does come with a 2-year Volkswagen warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance. So if you'd like to find out more information then please give us a call on 01978 340 600. So we'll be giving you a 360-degree walk around and then I'll jump inside and I'll go in further details on the interior features and technologies. So starting at the front, a great added benefit is your rain sensors. This will ensure every journey is as effortless as possible for the driver. Next, taking you around, we do have these 18-inch Martial alloy wheels. We do have the blue brake calipers on there as well, matching up to the blue accents around the vehicle. Moving up, we do have your electrically adjustable and heated door mirrors, and then this is followed by your heat insulated tinted glass. This is 90% light absorbing, which is an optional upgrade. This does not only captivate the overall look and make the car look incredibly sporty, but it does protect your rear passengers from too much sun glare. Next, showing you your first glance of the interior. So we do have your Vienna leather upholstery, which is an upgraded option on this model. You've got the contrast stitching running through the seats, and then we do have ISOFIX points in 2 of the outer rear seats. So this is handy if you're carrying any children. We do also have the centre seat acting as an armrest for additional comfort with 2 cup holders. We've got plenty of leg and headspace available. Making my way to the back, we do have your sporty rear roof spoiler, and then you do also have the benefit of parking sensors. This will ensure parking is as easy as possible. Next, taking a look inside the boot. So as you can see, we do have a really good space considering the size. We do also have your variable floor and the option to fold down the rear seats. We do have your charging cables in there as well. And you have more than enough room to store your weekly shopping trips. Another great feature on this car is your keyless entry. So this is also upgraded. So this is really handy when you arrive to the car in a rush or with your hands full. Then taking a look inside the front interior, we do have your leather trimmed multifunction steering wheel. You do have the blue stitching on there as well. Then panning further inside, we do have your heated front sport seats with lumbar support. This will offer you and your front passenger the most comfortable and cosy position to travel in. And then another fantastic optional upgrade is your panoramic sunroof. So this is a perfect addition for them warmer trips. So that does conclude the first part of the video. So in the next part, I'll jump inside and I'll go in further details on all the interior features and technologies. Jumping inside, we do have your multiple electric mirror and window adjustments in the driver's door, followed by your central locking. Then panning to the right side of the wheel, you'll see that we do have automatic lights. So this is great if you're someone who forgets to turn them on. And then moving on to your multi-function steering wheel. So this is GTE embossed. So here you can access features without having to remove our hands. So that does include your adaptive cruise control, which is great for motorway driving. And then using the controls on the right, you can customise what you want to see in the active information display. So as you can see, we can have your map display directly in front of you to create a safer driving environment. Then using the controls, we can shift through different important driver information and settings, which is designed to enhance your experience further. Then moving over to your centre console, so here you'll find your infotainment system. So here we can access a wide range of features. So going into radio, we do have your DAB and FM radio available. So you do have an assisted stations, and then we do also have the option to pair your phone to the car to listen to your own music via an aux. You have your Bluetooth, you can make hands-free calls on the go. And then you do, of course, have your satellite navigation, which can be displayed either on your infotainment system or on your active information display. This will help you plan your routes. And then another great feature does include your app connect, so you can pair your phone to the car to stream your own maps, as well as streaming your music, contacts and messages through your infotainment system with your parking sensors front and rear. So this will appear on the screen when popping your car into reverse, which will help to keep your car nice and safe. Just below, we do have your 2-zone climate control. Both yourself and your front passenger have access to individual airflow to keep you both comfortable. You have the fan speed in the centre. Then we do have a 3-point front heated seating. So this is a perfect addition for the colder months. Just below, we do have a storage compartment. And then panning further down, we do have your keyless start. We have your automatic transmission. And then using these shortcut buttons, you can access your GTE mode. And then we do also have the activation for your electric engine sound. And then also using the controls, we can access your drive mode. And then moving further down, we do have your electronic park brake with auto hold for added ease. do have some hidden cup holders, a volt socket, and some additional storage underneath the armrest. And then giving you another quick highlight on how to activate your panoramic sunroof. So using the controls above, you can easily open and close the roof. So this floods so much light and air in on the warmer trips, and then you do have your sun blind when the sun glare gets that bit too much. So thank you for watching this video. This Volkswagen approved used Golf GTE, which does include a 2-year warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance, along with additional benefits and flexible finance packages available. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please contact us now on 01978 340 600.